Namaste students, myself JBN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. I am at third semester. We will discuss the topic access and enrollment of different types of learners, issue and challenges. Introduction. According to Mahatma Gandhi, why education means an all around drawing out of the waste in man, body, mind and spirit. Trends. The world justifies about the tendency of a system with several educational options available to students today. Newer trends are emerging in this field which has completely changed the traditional held participations about education in India. Several career options that were earlier not considered to be traditional have emerged as the most sought after education and career options. Various career options in like radio jockeying, radio management, news anchoring, program anchoring, news readings and reporting for the electronic media contents, writing, fashion designing, events management, hospital management, medical transcriptions, etc. have opened up several newer avenues for education. Current trends in education. For over a century, education has remained largely unchanged. Classroom full of students differing to the wisdom of an all knocking professors has is and many beliefs all will continue to be the accepted mode of instructions despite many technological advances and the introduction of new pedagogical concepts. The majority of today classroom continue to utilize this traditional mode. Teachers students perform better when they have the opportunity to tell their teachers what things in the classroom needs improvements, contrary to the old beliefs that students are too young to know what they need. Education system now give the students the opportunity to give pointers to their teachers on how they can better deliver their lessons so that the students can understand. Okay, and it was also found that giving the students the chance in contributing and even revising the classroom rules actually make the students abides to them. It gives them the feeling that they actually have a say on what goes in the classroom. Okay, students tends to follow the class rules now since they had a role in making the rules and regulations. Paying close attention to each student needs. Educators are not looking at their class in a collective. They see them as different individuals with different needs, which is why some students lag behind the others when it comes to the lectures. Educators can help these students keep up by giving them personalized attentions. These are just some of the recent trends in the K-12 education systems. These are promising signs that show the education systems in the country is improving and no longer stagnant. Virtual or online learnings, 48 states and the districts of Columbia currently supports online learning opportunities that range from supplementing classrooms instructions on an occasional basis to enrolling students in full-time programs. The opportunity include dual enrollments, credit recovery and summer school programs and can make courses such as advanced placements and honors or remediations classes available to students. Okay, full-time online schools. The following online or virtual schools enroll students on a full-time basis. Students enroll in these schools are not attending brick and mortar schools. Instead, they receive all of their instructions and earn all of their credits through the online schools. Blended schools opportunity incorporate both face-to-face and online online learning opportunity. The degree to which online learning takes place and the way it is integrated into the curriculum can vary across schools. Okay, next, recent trends and development in education. The highlights the vital and silent role of education in effectively meeting the growing political and socio-economic challenges in the society. With the fast developments and many variations, conflicting trends can be noticed in the educational systems in India. Internationalizations of the education process, stress on quality above quantity, increase in the adaptations of technologies and increase in the need for professional talents. National policy of education. National policy of education is a policy formulated by the government of India to promote education amongst India's peoples. The policy covers elementary educations to colleges in both rural and urban India. The first NPE was promulgated in 1968 by the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and the second by Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi in 1986. Three language formula, the new education policy, modified national education policy, the 1968 education policy, and after the essence and role of education for equality, education for women's equality, and next the education for scheduled caste, next the handicapped adult education, reorganization of education at different stages, early childhood care and educations, elementary education, child-centered approaches, school facility, normal education and secondary educations. Okay, and peace setting schools, vocationalizations, higher education, open university and distance learning, rural universities and innovation, research and development and value educations, books and libraries, media and education technology, education and environment, science education, sport and physical education, the role of youth, the evaluation process and examination reforms, teacher education in India, Indian education service, national levels, state levels, district and local levels, voluntary agencies and aided institutions and educational commissions. Okay, thank you students.